In this video, we will learn how to change keyboard on iPhone 12. So let's begin. So the process is quite easy and simple. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet. And once you are there, so the process is like if you go to your settings on iPhone, and here if you scroll down below and go to General, and in General you have an option of keyboard. So tap on keyboard. Under you have multiple options including autocorrect, smart punctuations, and many other things like this. So you can have any specific setting as you want. Plus, if you want to add a language to your keyboards, tap on here and here add new keyboard and select any language that you want to. In case if you are typing something and you want to select a specific language, for example typing message, and you want to select a specific language here, just go and tap on this word icon at the left bottom and the specific language would change. You can either tap on it for a while and select from here. In case if you want to change the color and the font, for that you need to go to App Store on iPhone and here type in for Swift keyboard. So once you're here, now go and download this Swift keyboard by tapping on here, and as it is here, it would take a bit of a time to download, so simply go and wait for that. So once this has installed, simply go and open this and tap on get started. Simply go and log in with any account if you want to. If you do not want to, simply go and tap on not now. It says allow notifications. If you want to, simply go and make sure. Don't realize you want, do you wish to share? Tap on continue. So now you need to go and tap on this take me there. And once this takes you there, go to tap on keyboards and turn this on and allow full access and tap on allow. So once you have done so, now what you need to do is go back into your settings, and here you need to tap down and here go to General. Now go to keyboard, scroll down, go to keyboard, tap on keyboards, and here you have Swift key. So it is allowed full access. Now go and close this. Once you are here, it says tap and hold the globe. So tap and hold it and switch to Swift keyboard. It says installation successful. You can type anything, tap on next. Now here you have multiple themes. Like you can select themes. You have multiple themes here. You can try out these themes, or you can select languages and do multiple things as you wish to. And your keyboard will adapt to that thing. So hope by doing so you will be able to change your keyboard on iPhone 12. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.